Now here's a fun fact. The 1940 Ford and the 1940 Harley Davidson used the same exact gray paint. And here's one now that I saw at a recent car show. Man, there's a lot of freaks coming out of Walmart today. Damn it!
That's the clutch. Push that down and it slides your gears. See how small it is? Remember, they came from bicycles.